Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name's Cole. I love makeup and colour, and over the past year I've been reviewing every single Plouise Budget Box, and I'm going to be doing a roundup video at the end of the year to tell you whether these are worth it or not. That video is coming in April, so if you do want to see the last 12 months worth of budget boxes and whether I think they are good value for money, then don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the video. So February, this is what we've got going on for February. It's a really cute little mailbox. I do really like this packaging. I think it's very cute. And this is what we've got inside. Ooh, so it's quite full. So I'm intrigued by this one. I haven't had a proper look yet, and I haven't seen any sneak peeks since I saw the first one, which was like a month and a half ago, if not more. So we're just going to dig in. First thing is a skincare product. This is the Pretty and Polished Massaging Face Wash. I don't hate this product. The Plouise face washes that I've tried in the past have been nice. This will probably make its way into my shower at some point. I never love these kind of skincare things that you can't properly clean, so I tend to just squeeze it out onto my hand and then rub it in that way. But I completely get if you want to use it. I just don't like the fact I can't get it properly clean. This contains strawberry fruit extract and hyaluronic acid, provides a rich foaming lather, and is packed with plant-based ingredients and amino acids. The fully incorporated stone roller ball applicator provides a unique and innovative massage tool to increase facial circulation, improve lymphatic drainage, stimulate cells, and improve muscle tone, as well as helping the product penetrate thoroughly and promote a relaxing experience. So basically, it's like a I don't know how to say it. Gusha? I don't know how to say it. Those little metal stone things that you rub on your face. Essentially, I think that's the kind of vibe this is trying to give off. I'll use it. Is it my favourite thing? No. But I'm not going to complain about it either because I will use it. Right. Okay. Call the Shots palette for eye and face. This is pretty cute packaging. I must give it to her. Let's see what we've got in here. Okay, Call the Shots palette for eye and face. I did think this was going to be a lip palette when I saw how small it was, so I'm glad to see it's not. Let's have a gander inside. This is what that looks like. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, one of my subscribers commented on my videos, like, Plouise is a brand for makeup artists, that's why there's so many different browns in that palette, which I got, made complete sense. However, let's just have a look at this swatched out, shall we? Okay, so that is the mattes from the palette swatched out. Name me one makeup artist that needs this in their kit. This is what I don't understand about these boxes. If they're for makeup artists, great. If they're for children, great. You can't flip-flop between the two. Like, last month's box was quite childish. This month's box has got this tiny, teeny palette in. I might put this in a project pan because, honestly, I feel like it'd be absolutely ridiculously easy to hit pan on these. The three shimmers at the top are beautiful, normal Plouise gorgeousness I expect for shimmers. Like, they're really pretty. But for me, I don't understand how 2 months ago we could have had a palette that had 7,000 nude shades in that only an MUA would really need, And then 2 months later, we're getting this. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me, but let's carry on. I'm trying to be less negative. I don't know whether it's working. This is a Secret Stack stackable and multi-use pen. Twist to reveal your chosen layer and attach to the top of the pen. Swipe off for a wash of colour and blend with your fingertips for a more diffused look, or with your favourite brush for more definition. A tower of 5 tantalising shades awaits you. Just twist to reveal a new cutely compact colour for the face. Stack them up, babe. Right. I think these, I'm guessing these are blushes then. But I'm not sure. Okay, they actually feel lovely. That looks really nice. But basically, I think what you do is like one of those crayons that we all had as children. So you like unscrew it. I mean, these are tiny amounts of product. Does it say how much is each? It's 5.25 grams overall, so there's like a gram of product in each of these little pen things. Let's just swatch them all. That's a pretty colour. I like that one. Okay, there's like a deeper one in there. Yeah, you're not telling me any makeup artist is going to have this in the kit. Just from the pure point of view of there's just so little of it. Just swatch that top one again for you. Okay, so they're the 5 shades. They're very pretty. This packaging is a no from me. Gives like Claire's makeup. But the colours are nice and the formula feels really lovely. I will try them on the cheeks. I don't know whether I'm going to get along with them just because they're so tiny, but we'll see. Next up, just the two of us, double-ended lip duo. Do we have a shade? Do you tell me? Matchmaker and devoted date. One kiss, double the bliss. Double-ended lip duo, double the colour, double the confidence. Doesn't say anything else about it. Let's have a look. Okay. Oh. Right, okay. I think these are like lipstick and lip gloss. Ooh, that's a nice colour. This one is Devoted. Okay. Oh, that smells good. That smells like Mawams. So they are, like, on one end is a lipstick. And then on the other end is the gloss. So, interesting. That's what Devoted looks like. Or, no, Devoted Date, sorry, looks like. And then we've got Matchmaker. Ooh, I like this one. These are both really pretty spring shades. Okay, very pretty spring shades. Would I have rather they came separately? Yeah. That's just a personal preference thing though. They're fair enough. They're just a bit like big and bulky for me. I'd have rather they'd been separate, but I do like those colours. I will use those, definitely. Okay, and then, what does this sound like, guys? I swear to God. Line them up, mini lip liners, just lip pencils. 8 lip pencils. And every single one of them has a key ring on it. Why? It's just so tacky. Could we have not had 8? I mean, all these shades are beautiful. Plouise lip liners are great. I will use all of these. I will probably go through them pretty quickly, which is good because that'll up my empties. But we've got the shades Caught Out, Blind Date, which is a really nice cool brown. I'm going to put them down because they're making a jingling noise and it's very annoying. I'm so sorry. Just put them in here actually for a second. Oh, no, I've just dropped 2. Oh, fucking hell. Right, Love Note. It's like a burgundy brown. Stay With Me. It's like a tan brown. We've got Love Era, which is like a true like chocolatey brown. Came to Play. That is very, very similar to the one we did before that. I can't remember the name. Fully Booked is a very deep brown, slightly deeper than the other ones. And then we've got Options Open, which is like a slightly more pink. So that's the shades of the lip liners. Nice shades. Like I said, love this lip liner formula. Don't go with these lipsticks and glosses. They don't go with the blushes. If the blushes were more neutral and these were more neutral, then yeah, that would make sense. But my main bugbear is what is with the frigging key rings. Is it because they're so small you'll lose them if they don't have key rings on them? Maybe. I think these ones will be easier. These seem like, I'm not going to lie, not that well made. So I think these will be easier to get off than some of the other ones on the other products that we got last month. But why? Why? So we've got shitload more keychains. Just what I wanted. A couple of lipstick and lip gloss duos. We'll use these. I'm going to try these. I just don't know whether I'm going to get on with the kind of format of them. And this palette, I'm going to leave this on my desk. To be honest, this will probably get used. Or I might... Let me just get it open. I might just use the 3 shimmers and then once they're gone, just get rid of it. Because to be honest, they are the most neutral of neutral shades. This one and this one would make a really pretty blush. I mean, look how cute they'd be as blush colours. But I can't get my blush brushes to these tiny pans. So, yeah. I'll probably use the shimmers. I might even put that in a project pan, to be honest. And just use the 3 shimmers up and then get rid of it. I'm not going to lie. So, yeah. Another subpar box in my eyes. I will use this. I don't love getting things like this. They just seem a bit gimmicky. Like, you don't actually tell me how you're going to benefit my skin in terms of, are you going to hydrate it? Are you going to remove oil? Are you going to... I don't know. What are you going to do for my skin? Not just like, oh, these balls are like a bloody roller thing and it'll depuff and all this. I want to know what the actual product is going to do. So I'll use it. Like I said, it'll go in the shower at some point. And I'll use it as like my second cleanse. This is going in a project pan, most definitely. I'm going to try this. I'm going to try and see if I can get on with this kind of packaging. It doesn't feel like the most like secure. I think if you have a makeup bag, potentially it could come like undone in your makeup bag. But like I said, the formula does feel really nice, so I'm going to give that a go on the cheeks. This is my thing with Plouise, like the stupid packaging, but the formulas are nice. Like those shimmers in here are gorgeous. I'd rather have got those 3 in a little tiny palette than with the other 9 shades in it, to be honest. So use those. I'm going to take the key rings off these. I'm going to use these as well. But to be fair, it's probably time I went through all of my Plouise lip liners and worked out if I've got any duplicates or any shades that are virtually the same. Because like I said, I think it was Love Note and Love Era. Basically the same shade. So yeah. I'm going to use everything out of this box. Just out of curiosity. I have what was in last month's here. Because I've not done anything with it. Because I don't know what to friggin' do with it. That's Keep It Casual. Do we have that one in here? No, I don't think so. No, so that is a different shade. But like I said, I'm going to try and like rip these keychains off. And we'll get some use out of them. Even if I just do like 5 sharpens and then I can get rid of it. I don't know. I don't know, but I will use those. This wasn't as bad as last month's box, but I feel really aggrieved giving it any more than like 5.5, to be honest. So that's what it's going to get. It's going to get a 5.5. I don't need 8 tiny lip liners with key rings on them. The palette is ridiculous, and I don't really like the packaging of the blushes, despite the fact they feel beautiful. The only things that I would have probably bought myself are the lip liner and lipstick, and lip gloss duos. Because these colours are beautiful, but if they weren't colours that I don't have, I probably wouldn't have bought them in this format. I'd have preferred them as like a stick and a gloss. But that very much is a personal preference thing. So, yeah, so we're going to give it a 5.5. Again, it's not a great box. I'm not excited for March's box. I'm going to get March's, I'm going to get April's, and then I am going to cancel my subscription. If there is one that I do like the look of further down, I'm just going to be a little bit more conscious of like watching the sneak peeks and stuff. And if there is one I do like the look of, I will get it, but I definitely don't want to be getting them on the regular because it's just a whole lot of rubbish that I'm not using, I'm not gonna lie. So let me know what you thought of this month's box. What do you think of this palette? Is this usable for any of you? Because I feel like everybody needs something slightly deeper than like, I would be aggrieved to call this a mid-brown. It's like a light to mid-brown. So yeah, let me know, would you use this? Is this like your perfect everyday palette? I'd love to know. But then again, if it is your perfect everyday palette, they're very small. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think of this box. Are you getting Plouise? Do you still get it? Have you cancelled it? Have you cancelled it a long time ago, or did you recently cancel it? Let me know it all in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from me, hit subscribe. And if you want to make sure you never miss another video, hit the bell icon and YouTube will notify you next time I post. You've been fabulous. I've been Coleoftheball, and I'll see you next time. Bye.